The truth about life is that the most important actions, the ones that truly shape your future, are rarely comfortable. It's easy to stick with what feels safe, what feels familiar, and what doesn't challenge you too much. But if you want something extraordinary, you can't live an ordinary life. You have to push beyond comfort and take control, not just of your choices, but sometimes of the choices that impact those around you. Think about it. Every decision that has the power to transform your life feels uncomfortable in the moment. Quitting a job that drains you, starting a business that feels risky, saying no to people who expect you to say yes, it's all hard. But these hard decisions are where growth happens. They force you to step into a version of yourself that's braver, smarter, and more capable than you ever imagined. If you're aiming for a lifestyle that stands out, whether that's financial freedom, personal fulfillment, or simply living on your own terms, you can't rely on the habits that keep most people stuck. Most people avoid discomfort like the plague. They choose what's easy, staying in jobs they hate, keeping toxic relationships, or following the crowd because it's less scary than standing out. But the price of comfort is a life you don't truly want. Uncommon habits, like making bold decisions for yourself, are what create uncommon lives. It's not about being reckless or impulsive. It's about learning to trust your instincts, even when they lead you down paths others don't understand. It's about saying, "This is my life, and I'm going to make it count." Making decisions for yourself also means owning the outcomes. There's no one else to blame if things don't go as planned, but that's where the magic lies. When you take responsibility for your choices, you gain the power to adjust, learn, and keep moving forward. Each tough decision you make builds resilience, confidence, and clarity about who you are and what you want. Sometimes, though, it's not just about making decisions for yourself. Leading others, whether it's in your family, your business, or your community, requires stepping into even more discomfort. People naturally look to leaders for guidance, especially in uncertain times. Being that leader means making choices that aren't always popular or easy. But those choices can create positive change for everyone involved. The beauty of this habit, the habit of leaning into discomfort, is that it transforms you. Over time, what once felt impossible starts to feel natural. You realize that the discomfort doesn't last forever, but the rewards of acting despite it do. You grow into someone who doesn't shy away from challenges, but embraces them as opportunities to create a better life. An uncommon lifestyle isn't about luck or privilege. It's about commitment. It's about deciding every day to do the things that most people won't because they're too afraid or too complacent. It's about putting yourself in the driver's seat and saying, "I'm in charge of where I'm going." So, ask yourself, what's one decision you've been avoiding because it feels uncomfortable? What's one step you can take today to move closer to the life you truly want? Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now and keep going, one uncomfortable action at a time. That's how uncommon lives are built, one brave decision after another.